In this video, I will show you how to crochet these Snow White shoes. The shoes I used is 250 millimeters. Now let's take out the blue color Chenille Yarn, and we will crochet from the inside stitches. We'll make a chain one pretty tight, and we will make single crochet on the next stitch. And another single crochet on next stitch. Continue to make single crochets. Next stitch, we can put the tail over the hook so we can hide it. We will go around the single crochet in each stitches. Repeat it all the way around. The last stitch, make a single crochet, and then we make a slip knot to the first stitch. Slip knot. After we finished this round, we will put the part inside it. And then we take out 3 stitches marker, because the one I use is 250 millimeters. So I will make the first round. I will make 6 stitches. The first round. So I will need to count the sixth stitch. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Oh yeah. We put the marker here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first stitches, the first stitch, and then we put this to the next stitch before the stitch marker. If your slip knot stitch is here, and then you need to put this yarn to this stitch. And chain one, we will make 2 half double crochet to the first stitch. Now we can take off the stitch marker. We will make 2 half double crochet here in the same stitch. So we have finished 1 stitch. The next stitch we also make 2 half double crochet. Yarn over and insert to the stitch. and then we put it all over the hook. We finish 2 stitches, and we will make 2 half double crochet to next stitch, 3. I finished 3, another 2 half double crochet to next stitch, and to next 1 2 3 4 5, and 6, 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch. The first round we have finished 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we will make a slip knot to this the next stitch, slip knot to next stitch, and then we make this loop a bit loose, put on the stitch marker, and we need to put the yarn from the second round, and from the second stitch we yarn over, and we need to put this yarn a bit loose. If you want it higher, bigger room, then you make it a bit loose, and then we chain 1, put it tight, continue yarn over. So the second round, the first stitch, we will make to the chain stitch space here, and we need to put this yarn over the hook so we can hide it. 1 half double crochet. We still insert to the same space to make second half double crochet, and then the second stitch we will insert to the 2 stitches between 2 stitches in this. One half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and then continue to the next stitch. The next stitch will be here. We will insert the hook here, and the third will be here. We will insert it to this. 1 half double crochet. In each stitch we will make 2 half double crochet. The next stitch, the first round we may 6 half double crochet, or we may 6 pattern. So for the second round we will have 7, and to this space, and the last stitch we will insert the hook to this space. Here we have finished 1 half double crochet, and the second we insert to the same space. Here we don't put the yarn over yet. We will take off the stitch marker and insert the hook over the loop. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. We put it all over, and then we make a slip knot to the next stitch. You make it a bit loops, and then you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So for round 3 we should have 8. Next stitch. Here is the next stitch. Put it over and make this yarn a bit loose. Put it tight here. Usually I make this yarn as high as the previous round. Chain 1, put it tight, and half double crochet. The first stitch we will insert to this space. One half double crochet and 2 half double crochet. Continue to next pattern. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and the next stitch. One double, remember to put the yarn over the hook so we can hide it. The last stitch, we will insert the hook here. The last half double crochet, we put the hook into these loops. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. We will put it all over it and slip knot to next stitch. Continue to put the stitch marker. 1, 2, 3. But 3, it should be 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 stitch. The fourth round. Put this yarn a bit loose. Chain 1, put it tight. Half double crochet. For round 5, we will skip 1 stitch. The last stitch we inserted to this. And the last half double crochet, Remember to put this hook, this loop over the hook. Now we have 4 loops and put it all over it and slip knot to next stitch. Next stitch. One, two, three, four. The row 5, we will skip 1 stitch and we will insert the hook to the next stitch. Make it a bit loose. And chain 1. Continue to make half double crochet. Insert the hook here, half double crochet, next stitch, 2 half double crochet in each stitch. We will repeat it. Now to the last stitch. Insert the hook here. Put it all over it. And put the hook into the loop. Put the yarn all over it. Because of this side, we skip 1 stitch. So in this side, we also skip 1 stitch and make a slip knot to next stitch. Put it over. When you crochet it, if you find 2 sides not on the same horizon, you can, for example, this side is here, but this side is here, and you can crochet the next stitch, and this side you can skip 1 stitch. Because around row 5 we have skipped 1 stitch, so row 6 we will crochet to next stitch. We don't skip it, and then row 7 we can skip it. Row 8 we continue to the next stitch. For row 9 we can skip. Chain 1 and half double crochet here. And insert it to this loop. And slip knot to next stitch. Row 6 we didn't skip it, so row 7 we can skip 1 stitch to the next stitch. As the high as the previous row. Chain 1, half double crochet here, and then we also skip one stitch, immediately not to next stitch. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. We will crochet from the next stitch. So this is the row A. Row 9 we skip one stitch. Row 10 next stitch. Row 11 skip one stitch. And row 12 next stitch. And then the next 2 stitches we change to the yellow color. This slipper. For this slipper, the blue color, I have made 12 rows at this location here. We will change to the yellow color. I have finished the blue color part with 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's the same place here, and then we will change to the yellow color. This one, this yarn, we will cut it off